What's inside JLPT N5 Day 5 Reading Part 3? This is the third video of reading module. The first one, second one, and this one. Part 3 Information Search. We are now here. 問題6 looks like this. 問題6、右のページを見て、下の質問に答えてください。答えは、1、2、3、4から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。Please look at the right page and answer the question below. Please choose the best one from 1 to 3 and 4. You are asked, can you pick up the information you want to know? You read a practical text such as a flyer or a notice in 問題6. Our text had approximately 250 characters. Let's look at an example text, this one. This kind of text, like notice, advertisement, or something like that, has a different style from ordinary text. But the tactic is same. What do you have to do first? Yes, read the question and the choices first. First, read the question. 荒木屋でトイレットペーパーと肉と野菜を同じ日に買いたいです。いつが安いですか? I want to buy toilet rolls, meat and vegetables on the same day. When can I buy at a low price? Then read the choices. 1. 6月11日月と12日火。2. 6月13日水と14日木。3. 6月15日金と16日土。4. 6月17日日と18日月。Now you know what kind of information you are searching for. Let's start reading the text. This is a flyer. So let's look at each column. 安い cheap 6月11日月から14日木。砂糖128円。トイレットペーパー490円。So you can find toilet rolls here, and the date is from 11th of June to 14th of June. 安い cheap 6月15日金から18日月。醤油198円。ティッシュペーパー290円。Did you find something? No. Ignore this column. No relevant information. 毎週安い。Every week cheap. 月、火、果物、魚、ジュース。水、木、豆腐、肉、野菜。金、土、パン、牛乳、魚、野菜。So here it is. 肉、野菜 are cheap on Wednesday and Thursday. So if you want to buy 肉、野菜 and トイレットペーパー on the same day, you should look at these two columns. And did you get the answer? You need to go to Wednesday 13th and Thursday 14th. The answer is here. 6月13日水と14日木。Number 2 is the answer. Top tip. Read the question and the choices first and search the answer in the text. It makes it easier to find the information that you want to know. Roundup. Top tip 1. Read the question and the choices first. Top tip 2. After you understand what kind of information you have to find in the text, start reading. Top tip 3. If you find some unknown words, try to guess the meaning from the context. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like the video. Do you know someone who might be interested in this video? Please share. If you are interested in learning authentic Japanese, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell mark. You can get the notification when I upload a new tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you soon. またね